Hola, clase. Today we're working on direct object pronouns. We did this last year, but it's a bit of a tricksy subject. So hope you're taking notes. Feel free to follow along as best you can. Watch it again as many times as you need to, because we're talking about it and them words. Well, and object pronouns. Okay. Object pronouns say who or what gets the action of the verb. Take a look at this example in English. I see you. So who's the subject? Who does the action? I. What am I doing? The verb is seeing. And who am I seeing? You. That who I'm seeing is the direct object. So I see in Spanish is yo veo. Yo veo. Do you remember the verb ver, to see? Yo veo. So the word you in this case, it's going to be the word te for yo te veo. I-U-C. Note in Spanish it's weird because the object goes out of order compared to English. Anyway, guys. So many verbs have a complement, have an object of the verb, is what I would call it, that indicates who or what receives the action of the verb. This is called a direct object. So Juan compra un cuadro. Juan buys a painting. Who or what does Juan buy? He buys a painting. So it's going to be the it word. So first of all, we find the direct object. Then we find which word on the chart replaces it. It's el cuadro. So el uses lo here. Then remember, the word lo goes before the verb. Juan lo compra. Juan it buys. Literally, Juan, or that's literally, but Juan buys it is how it's interpreted. So when the direct object refers to people or pets, we use the personal a in front of it. The personal a, we did talk about this last year, but if you don't remember, I'm not surprised. When a person is the direct object or a pet, you use the word a in front of it. This doesn't translate into English. You just got to remember to do it. So this one says, I call Juan on the phone. Yo llamo a Juan por teléfono. Or I call him. Yo lo llamo por teléfono. Remember, Juan is a boy, so he's going to be him. So I would use lo to replace Juan. Okay, sometimes direct object is replaced with direct object pronoun. So hay un sofá, lo hay. ¿Hay un sofá? Is there a sofa in the living room? ¿Hay un sofá en la sala? Sí, lo hay. Yes, it is there. One doesn't make sense to me, but bueno. ¿Tienes los libros en el estante? Do you have books on the shelf? Sí, los tengo allí. Yes, them I have there. That's its literal translation, but actually it's yes, I have them there. Like there is and on the shelf. So who or what do you have here? You have books. Books are a them word, so is it las or los libros? It's los, so use the los one right there. And remember, it goes in front of the verb, los tengo. Chicos y chicas, the thing that is going to be new this year, I'm almost certain, is that you can attach direct object pronouns. Most of the time they go right in front of the verb, as we just said. There are cases where you can put them after things. So when you use a command, I don't think we've learned commands at all yet, but the command to iron is going to be plancha. So if we're planchaing the camisa, the shirt, we're going to say planchala, iron it. That makes more sense compared to the English because you're saying iron with it right there, but notice there's no space there. Whenever you have two verbs, you can do something similar as well. Look at the next case. Me gusta ese cuadro. I like that painting. Lo quiero comprar. I want to buy it, or literally, it I want to buy. Because you got two verbs, quiero and comprar. Remember, when you have two verbs, you conjugate the first, but leave the second one as an infinitive. This is like English. I want to buy, I want quiero, to buy comprar. So, lo quiero comprar, you can always put the direct object pronoun right before the verb quiero, the conjugated verb. Or you can attach the lo word, the DOP, the direct object pronoun, at the end of the infinitive. Quiero comprarlo. ¿Vale? Okay, you can also do this with the ing verbs with the present progressive tense. La ropa está sobre la cama. The clothing is above the bed. La estoy colocando. Sorting it, or putting it back in its place. Or la estoy colocando, or estoy colocándola. Sometimes you'll have to put an accent mark in the middle of the word to make it work for this one. Okay, guys, that's direct object pronouns. We've got a practice activity coming up right next, so you'll be able to practice this. Ciao, clase.